If you are building websites in WordPress and you are tired of installing 10 different plugins just to get basic website up and running, you are going to love what Framer has built in right out of the box. In this video, I will show you a real side-by-side comparison of the common features that usually need extra plugins in WordPress but come natively supported inside Framer. From custom content editing to SEO settings, forms to backups, you will see why Framer can be a simpler and faster alternative for a lot of businesses. Over the years, I have worked with dozens of clients who were stuck managing bloated WordPress websites, sites that needed plugins for even basic things like meta tags, redirects, backups, or custom fields. And the more plugins you add, the slower and riskier the site becomes. That's why today, especially for landing pages, portfolios, SaaS marketing sites, and smaller service websites, we often recommend Framer. It's faster, lighter, and easier to manage without losing the essential functionality most modern websites need. Hey, I'm Ansif, Framer expert and co-founder at VictorFlow. If you are comparing WordPress and Framer for your next project, or you are simply tired of patching things together, this video is for you. Before we dive into each example, here is a quick table on screen showing how many features that usually need plugins in WordPress are already built in inside Framer. First, custom fields and content management. In WordPress, if you want to create extra fields for things like team bios, job listing, or testimonials, you will usually need to install plugins like advanced custom fields. Then configure field groups, set rules, and sometimes tweak PHP to display the fields properly. In Framer, it's built directly into the CMS. You just create a collection, add the fields you want like text, images, links, switches, and you can start editing content immediately. No plugin installation, no backend confusion, just a simple visual control. Contact forms are core need for any website. But in WordPress, even for a basic form, you need a plugin like Contact Form 7 or WP Forms. Deal with shortcodes and manually set up email notifications. In Framer, the form builder is built in. You drag in a form, edit your fields visually, set where the submissions should go, and it's ready. No external plugins or extra styling work needed. Managing SEO is another area where WordPress gets plugin heavy. To set meta titles, descriptions, and open graph images, you usually install something like Yoast SEO or Rank Math. In Framer, SEO settings are native. You can add SEO titles, description, open graph tags, and social preview images right inside page settings. No need for external plugins. Want to add Google Analytics tag or Facebook pixel? In WordPress, you would typically install a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers just to paste a few lines of code. In Framer, you simply paste your custom code directly inside the page settings or site settings. No plugins, no complicated setup. Image optimization is another big one. In WordPress, you need plugins like Smurfs or Short Pixel to compress images, lazy load them, and optimize file sizes manually. In Framer, images are automatically optimized. Framer handles responsive resizing, compression, and lazy loading for you, so your site stays lightweight and fast without any extra work. Responsive design in WordPress usually depends on the theme or page builder you are using, and sometimes layouts break across devices. In Framer, responsive design is completely visual and built into the design flow. You can adjust the layouts for desktop, tablet, and mobile directly without needing any external tools or coding. Handling backups in WordPress usually means installing a plugin like Updraft Plus or Backup Buddy, scheduling backups manually, and downloading them somewhere safe. In Framer, your site versions are automatically saved as you publish changes. If something goes wrong, you can easily roll back to a previous version without any stress. Security and hosting are another headache with WordPress. You are managing SSL certificates, adding spam protection plugins, setting up CDN, and paying separately for hosting. In Framer, SSL is included automatically. Hosting is built in, protected by global CDN. No extra setup, no additional plugins required. And it does not stop you there. Need to set up 301 redirects? Built in. Uploading a fav icon or web clip icon? Just few clicks inside settings. Multi-language support? Framer now natively supports multi-language setups without third-party plugins. Need a staging link for internal review? You can publish to a staging domain easily, then publish live once it's uploaded. Everything you would normally install 10 to 15 different plugins for in a WordPress, in Framer, it's already part of the platform, ready to go. If you are tired of patching together plugins just to keep a basic site working, Framer might be the better platform for your next project. If you found this comparison helpful and want to see more real-world example like this, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. And if you are thinking about migrating your site or starting fresh, you will find my contact link in the description. Feel free to reach out. Happy building!